Session 18. Op Family. Bop's Bunny Race. The bunnies gathered to race, hopping fast in the open space. Bop the bunny was ready to go, aiming high to steal the show. Bop was quick, Bop was slick, hopping up to a big brick. He took a stop to look around, and saw a frog hopping by, with a crown. Bop resumed his speedy hop, to the top of a nearby shop. He needed a mop to clean the mess, but he knew he had to give his best. Bop saw a cop on a bike, and gave him a friendly wave alike. He hopped past the cop with ease, on his way to find the keys. The keys were hidden in a box, locked tight with multiple locks. Bop had to hop, twist and turn, until he found the key to burn. Bop was close to the finish line, but he saw a balloon, oh so fine. He hopped towards it with great zeal, and gave it a pop to seal the deal. Bop had won the bunny race, with his hops and his steady pace. He grinned from ear to ear, happy that his victory was here. The other bunnies cheered and clapped, impressed by the way Bop had rapped. He had shown them that with a little hop, they could reach the top and never stop. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. Who won the bunny race in the story? Question 2. What did Bop do when he saw the balloon near the finish line? Question 3. What did Bop have to do to find the keys? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share World Pointer.